I'm hoping to dance well during the wedding, because for those who know me, you know that I literally can dance. Hey guys, I am so excited. I'm attending a wedding ceremony and I'm one of the bridesmaids. I'm so excited about this. I'm super pumped for this because this is like the first wedding I'm attending this year. Last year I only attended one wedding ceremony and it was February, so till now, like, and this is August 2022. Like, literally, I don't attend parties like that, but like I get to go for this. And the most important thing about this is that I'm one of the bridesmaids. I'm so love that. So I'm packing for the wedding ceremony, and I felt like I gotta show my people on YouTube I'm gonna pack. So let's get into the video. This is my Ankara. I'm packing for myself and my sister, and let's just do the packing. And then I have this. The name of this perf is literally funny and it smells so nice. I feel like if I'm outside and someone is like, hey, please, what's the name of your perf? And I'm like, Barakat. They're like, no, we didn't mean your name. Like, the name of your perf. The name of this perf is Barakat. How weird, so right? We're ready for the journey. We're going to the wedding ceremony in no time. And I have my sister here with me. Look at her. She's looking good. Oh my God. God, look at her hairstyle. It's so beautiful.
Hello. Hi guys.
Is that all? Anyway, so we're traveling to Accra today, and hopefully it's going to be a why am I saying hopefully? It's going to be a beautiful celebration, right?
Absolutely.
For the wedding ceremony, what are you expecting?
Well, I'm looking forward to everything, from the engagement, the bridal shower, the church wedding, the reception, the couple's entrance, everything. I'm looking forward to it, and I'm so pumped up for this. Like, I'm so excited.
Yeah, as for me, I'm also well prepared. I'm hoping to dance well during the wedding, because for those who know me, you know that I literally can dance. Well, I can't dance at all, and okay, we have a song to sing. And I can remember when I was practicing with my sister. She was like, so you take the chorus, she's the soloist, right? And she's like, okay, let me sing the solo part, the soloist aspect, and you get to take the chorus, because we were at home together. And she took the stanza 1 and I was to come in with, what's the song again?
Love can build a bridge.
Love can build a bridge. And I was supposed to say, love can build it. It was just so terrible. Like, oh God, I hope that I sing, in a great way that day.
Well, I already told her that once we come in with the chorus and we happen to have mic to ourselves, and I would love for her to at least switch over mic first, hear other people, sing with them, and make sure our voice, synchronizes with the other people singing before she now puts on her mic to sing, because we don't want to be rolling ices, Ices.
Wow. Oh my God, it is well. Anyway, wow. That's all for this. Anyway, everyone.
Maybe the terrorist group was coming to my body. ISIS terrorist group.
Mm-hmm.
Terrorist group.
I don't know anything about that one. Anyway, like we've said, we're super pumped for the wedding ceremony, and hopefully you get to see amazing pictures and lovely videos, okay? Because I'm planning on vlogging this wedding ceremony. Like, hello, for my very first vlog, let's do that. And okay, my mom is coming already and she's walking elegantly. Anyway, that's all for this episode. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification bell and make sure that you share this video with your friends. Thank you and bye.